What's going on, BSG? Yep, she's back and running. And the next thing for this one is to get it painted and to get the tune on it still. Still got to do that. But we're not here for that today. Oh, somebody damn been out here laying some damn treads. We're here to get these visor lights working in this truck. All right, so this is the second time I'm starting this video is because the first time I did this video and I looked at it, there was no sound in it whatsoever. So I had to delete it. So let me show y'all what I'm talking about. We have lights in these sun visors. My truck didn't come with these. So what I did was that my girl was talking about my damn truck is cheap and all this other stuff, and that I got generic visors. So like, okay, I'm gonna get the right visors. So I ain't gonna say the right visors, I'm gonna get some visors with some lights in. So I got these I ordered these, and they came out of I want to say a Yukon Denali, a 2025. So, and they the same ones. Only difference is than what I had didn't have lights. So I put this up here, and I ran the wire from started right here with this one over to here, and I ran them down the side there into the fuse panel that's down there. Okay, so now, but you know, this is gonna be a short video for you guys, but only thing left to do now is to set up the power. Now, I've looked everywhere on the net, and everybody wants to know how to add lighted visors to their vehicle, to their Silverados. Everybody. I mean, there's tons of people. They don't know how to do it. They ain't seen this, they ain't seen that. So I'm gonna get these working, and we'll go from there. Let y'all see what I do. I ain't saying that this is the right way, but I'm saying this is the way that I'm doing it for it to work. All right, good people. So here in this 2025 Silverado, we have the fuse panel over here. So let's pop this out. trying to do this with one hand, it's kind of hard. With the this popped out of the doggone spare deal here. So let's put that in there. All right. So as you see, like I said, I ran these wires already because I started this video before and didn't realize that it didn't have no volume to it. So let me see. Let me grab my power probe right quick. So we got our power probe. So the way I see this is that we have power there, which you can see, and a power there. So this here is always on. Power there, so that's always on. Now I want to check to see if there is something in there. If we got something there, let me put this in there real quick. So I got this thing here. I'm going to throw this one in there. Nope, that is a dead space. That's a dead space too. So only thing left for us to do then is to grab us a fuse tap, which is this thing right here, a fuse tap. And you see it has 2 spots for fuses in there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pull this one out. You can see it. Hold on, get your hand out the way. I'm gonna pull that one. I'm gonna put it in one side here. Put it in one side of that bus. This fuse tap, I'm sorry, which is a busman. But one side of this fuse tap, and we'll put the other relay in the side of this fuse tap. So let us see. I have no idea. Well, this mug is 3 of them. Is that 3 too? That's 3 as well. Let me pull this mug out here. Let me get this one. This one probably 3 too. It is. So, which, that's weird. I've never seen a fuse like this before in my life. So we're gonna try to see if we can get this in there. And it looks like we will not be able to, more likely. So, got to figure this one out. Sure do. But I'm gonna get it figured out. Alright guys, so I had to go to the auto parts store. Never seen a fuse like this, man, before. Never seen one of these like this. But I'm going to use this one here. Sorry, this relay right there, that fuse right there, because I went and got a mini. So that's what I'm gonna use. So, and the red wire is going to go in there, and then I'm gonna ground the black wire up here somewhere, something like that. I gotta find me a ground into something. So we'll see. But in the meanwhile, let me get this fuse in there, set up and everything, and I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I come back. Now what I could have did was, y'all, I didn't even have to. I could have cut this stuff out this video, man, but why? Let you guys see how it actually happens, man, out here, because you know, when you run into stuff and you don't know exactly what it is and how it goes, and you gotta find your way around it to fix the situation. This is what we do, instead of acting like we know everything when we actually don't. Alright guys, so we got it done. So let me show you what we got. Okay, so we got our fuse right here, a mini in there, and we got our ground right here. You know, so we can tuck our wires off in here, keep everything a little bit longer, because just in case of situations, you never know. You never know. You never know. So, man, put it up like that, and we're looking good. So, let me get over here in the driver's seat and let's take a look at how we turned out. And I'm telling you, this is the easiest way for anybody who wants to add lighted sun visors to their Silverado. All right, so let's pull it down. Let's go there. Okay, see that one light up? That one got bright. So let's look at this mug from the side as we close down and we see it cut off. See, it's off. Light is off. Off. You see that? See this one? Off. There you go. Alright. So, we got that done. It's another upgrade to this vehicle. I don't know what's going to be next. Well, I want to do tinted windows and rims next, so we'll see. But that's the latest update for this vehicle. If you want to do this, it's the easiest way possible. It's the way I did it. So, it's only a 2-wire system. That's it. It's not hard whatsoever. So, oh, and another reason why you need to check, before I go, reason why you need to check these sun visors to make sure that cuts off so that it won't draw if it stays on the battery. We don't want that. So, everything is good. All options still work. New option works. So, like, comment, and subscribe, man. We're gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace.